Good evening, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on what time you're watching this. It's currently Thursday. Oh, look at that. 10:23 p.m. And let's take a look at the markets. If you were not aware, Bitcoin hit 52,000 today. Ethereum is getting close to 2,000. Let's start off with Yearn Finance YFI. Now, if you are new to this space, anything other than Bitcoin is considered alternative altcoin, and a good gauge on how the altcoin space is doing is by looking at this YFI. I was looking at the charts earlier today. It seems like everything is retracing a little bit. We're headed into the weekend. We have 20 hours left in this day, Friday. And what I've noticed, I've said it before, I've noticed that Sunday tends to be a very bearish type of day. BitBoy Crypto mentioned the same thing. He lost a whole bunch of money last Sunday. So if you notice on the MACD, blue line is curving downwards. This candle on the Heikinashi is looking indecisive. We're kind of overextended on the MACD. Yearn Finance looks like it's going to retrace. The graph, same thing. We got a red dot here. On the WT cross, this is my makeshift chart for, damn, I forgot what it was called. Never mind. It's something that BitBoy Crypto uses to gauge when to sell and when to buy. Damn it. Anyway. And this is like my recent addition to my chart reading and technical analysis. Besides these two, I started off with this and moving averages. So the graph, same thing, looking like it might go indecisive actually. It's going to retrace. It's a little overextended, way above the 20 and 13 moving averages. Now, uranium is something I'm quite bullish on. Has been retracing. Good time to buy. This thing is gonna go nuts. Like, makes no difference if you get it at $2, $1.90, $2.20. Like, just buy it. Vanguard looking like it's gonna retrace. That's like the story all around. Retrace. All of these indexes, ETFs, are looking like they're going to retrace for the weekend. Not even going to spend too much time. So, all right, let's look at Bitcoin. And Bitcoin looks like it may retrace a little bit. I don't know. It's been kind of moving sideways. If you take a look on the intraday, it's been kind of going sideways, but also trending upwards. You know, they say the trend is your friend till the end, till we break a trend. But like if you go in the lower time frames, it's looking kind of sideways, but still on an upwards trend. See, this is like since the 10th of this month here, going upwards, slowly creeping up, like correcting, going up, correcting. We touched this 50 smoothed moving average, bounce back. We have good resistance here at like the 48, 47, 48, 49 level. I don't think we're going to break below this area here. That's that. I wouldn't necessarily buy just yet. If you are looking to purchase some Bitcoin, I mean, unless you're an investor and you're looking for long-term, holding it for a couple of years or a month, whatever, like a couple of grand isn't going to make or break you, but I would wait a little bit because it may retrace a little bit this weekend. Bitcoin dominance chart, where are we? I haven't looked at this in quite some time. We are, yeah, man. We're definitely heading to, we're already in altcoin season, but when things get wild is when we hit like the 30 mark. And I don't think we've gotten close. We have gotten close right here. This was September. And I mean, the 13th of February, not even close. 59, we're still 60. But September, I can't remember what was going on in September. Oh, I'm tired. Atom, Cosmos, same thing. Everything is looking like it's going to retrace, guys. So I'm not going to spend too much time. There's really not much for me to talk about here on these charts. Oh, Coinbase, CRO. It looks like it may do well within the next 20 hours. But, you know, down here was when you should have bought. I was buying at like this area. I sold a whole bunch today. Maker. Oh. Maker looks like it's going to retrace on the MACD, but then you have this green dot here. We're not too overextended on the 13th and 20 EMAs. So Maker may be a buy. You're down 1.95%. Why not? Uni I would hold off on. Dash I would hold off on. Comp I would hold off on. What is that? Filecoin comp, I think. Litecoin I'm bullish on, but same deal. Ethereum, Classic, same deal. Look at everything. I'll stop when I see a green candle. Here we go. Binance Coin. Binance Coin's been ripping. Binance Coin has been ripping. I bought like 4 or 5 BNB coins yesterday, the day before, and I took profits today. It keeps on ripping. Congrats to you, but I took my profits. I'll wait for a retrace. Cardano, here we go. Here we go. It's about to cross. And let's see if this thing touches below 85, 80. I said that I was going to wait till about like 75, 68, 65 cents to buy back in. I sold a whole bunch at like 87. And I kind of regretted that today, this morning, when I saw it go all the way back up to like 95. I was like, damn. Then I remembered my fiance has an account, and I had gotten her some Cardano, and we took profits today. She got in at like some ridiculous number. It was like the 20s or 17 cents, I don't know. when I got it for her. Stellar Lumen, same deal. Gonna retrace. Bitcoin. Why do I have two Bitcoin charts? I think I might take this off. This is Coinbase, that's why. Coinbase. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. Bitcoin. So that one is Bybit. I think Crypto Jab uses Bybit. He said that this was a good, whatever, man. Can I move this up by doing this? Yeah, I can. Bear with me 1 second. I want to kind of organize this. So at least I could have them side by side. All right. And then this is the futures, I think. CME futures. Same deal. It's going to retrace. Chainlink. Chainlink, I sold a whole bunch. I might pick it up this weekend if it retraces enough. But yeah, everything looks like it's going to retrace. Ethereum looks good still. I think we're going to break 20. I haven't. Look, we're at 1927. I think we're going to break 20 by the end of this weekend. Ethereum tends to lag behind Bitcoin's movements, but it mirrors it. It just takes a little while. And I think this is Ethereum catching up to Bitcoin's movements. I think we're going to probably break 2,000. We are kind of overextended on the MACD, but I'm seeing this red dot, and we have 20 hours to go in the day. We're not too far off from 20, guys. Excuse me, from 20. We're not too far off. And I mean, it's blue skies ahead. We've never been here before. Speaking of blue skies, did you guys watch the Mars rover or whatever, that machine that they supposedly sent up there? Interesting. A lot of people are skeptical. What do you guys think? Did we even go to the moon? I kind of don't believe that we went to the moon. Am I being what do they call it? A tin head? Do I have my aluminum foil hat on? I just don't know. That video, I mean, back then, cameras and all that were less quality. But I mean, the picture that he took looks like they could have just grabbed a bunch of rocks, thrown it on the ground, and taken a picture and said, "Look, we're on Mars." Just take our word for it. I don't know. It'd be cool if it's real. I think we need to start exploring other planets. But anyway, okay. SPY, Spider, S&P 500, same deal. Everything is retracing right now. I share silver. I am into silver. Oh no, this is S&P 500. My bad. SLV. We're still at 25. It's ridiculous. Silver's so manipulated, man. I digress. Oil. 59. US, Japanese yen. I hear that this is a good pair to trade. And the dollar. Where are we at, dollar? 90. Not too bad. Okay, let's move on to some stories because the charts are pretty boring today. Okay, the daily hodl. These 7 altcoins will be among 2021's top performers according to crypto trader Austin Arnold. And let's see. Just pretty much reading this for the first time with you guys. So Ethereum 2.0, I'm just going to skim. Just try to get the meat and potatoes from these stories. So the graph, I'm bullish on. I am definitely bullish on. I would say, you know, till at least the end of this quarter. I mean, all in all, this looks like a good coin, but definitely till the end of this quarter. Polkadot. Yeah, I just wouldn't buy at this level right now. I already have my Polkadot and I'm staking it. What else? What else is this guy saying that we should get? Filecoin. I took my profits on Filecoin already. I think I got one sitting there waiting to see what happens. I mean, we're early. This is February. Taking my profits already, but I'm looking for other things. I mean, there's always going to be something new. Look, like, who heard of pancake swap last year? Who heard of half of these coins last year? There's always going to be a new opportunity. I'm not being greedy. Give me my money now. Moving on to the next. You know, where can I go? Who can make me money? Antonio Foundation announces partnership with Crypto.com. This is interesting because I have a ruby red Crypto.com card and a Crypto.com account. Crypto.com, I use it as one of my accounts to hold, one of my holding accounts. I use my Crypto.com account to hold long term. Coinbase Pro, I use it midterm hold. My Binance, I use it as my trading account. I do have some coins there that I'm holding mid to long term, but I use my Binance.us, you know, for when I say Binance, I mean Binance.us because that's what I could get in my state. And I use my Binance to trade, swing trade, or trade on a daily basis. Because the thing with Crypto.com, I feel like their prices kind of lag behind everyone other platforms out there. Sometimes, like, I feel like I'm getting less than what the charts are saying, or I'm buying it for more than what I expect to. But whatever, you know, it's my long-term hold bag, and it's pretty cool. The card, whenever you take profits, you could load up your Visa card and you get paid back in CRO. Like I said before, my fiance's Spotify, I pay off her monthly bill using my card, my account, and I just get reimbursed because they have this special deal going with Spotify. And if you guys want to join Crypto.com, BlockFi, Coinbase, I have links in the description. I would appreciate. I think for a lot of these deals, it's like a win-win. You'll get a bonus, I get a bonus. So it's a way to support me to keep this going because I am doing this for free. On the 16th of February, partnership, Crypto.com, crypto firm, blah, 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 DeFi space, improving liquidity in the DeFi ecosystem. Oh yeah, that's another thing. Excuse me. You have to look at liquidity, meaning how much volume is happening on each platform, because I discovered that there's this platform called Bitmart where I could find cool coins that otherwise I would have to use Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange. And with Uniswap, you have to use Ethereum in order to swap Ethereum for other coins. You're using Ethereum to pay for gas fees. And right now they're kind of ridiculous. I've been paying like $30 per transaction. So I got to make sure that whatever it is that I'm buying is worth it and that has potential to really make me money, which it has. I made a lot of money on my Spark Point coin. Now I have some, not reef, what's the name of this? Oh, look, I'll just show you guys. Here you go. Frontier. So yeah, I got myself some Frontier. This is just one of my small accounts. But whatever. What was I saying? So Bitmart, I could use it to purchase these coins like 1 inch, Frontier, I think they may have. I'm not sure. I don't think they have Frontier. Lena, what else? All these coins that you could normally not find on Binance, Binance.us, Coinbase, Crypto.com. The problem is, I bought some Cardano the other day, and Cardano was up yesterday or the day before, and I couldn't sell it because there's not enough volume. There weren't any buyers on that platform, so I had to transfer my Cardano to Binance.us and then sell it. So just a heads up, because certain coins other than Cardano, like Ethereum Classic, will take you like a week to transfer from one platform to the other, depending on what's going on with confirmations. And yeah, CRO got to 11 cents. Beautiful. Crypto.com, maybe, hopefully, they have a success and a bright future. I dig the whole Visa card thing. Al Jazeera, Cryptomania, Bitcoin leaps past 52 for the first time. Pretty dope. It's insane, man. Insane. All we have to do is double to get to 100. I got in. Sometimes I forget. I got in at like 9 and change, 9,000 and change, 10,000. We've 5x'd since then. All we have to do is double to get to 100. I believe we're going to get to 100 maybe before the summer, man. Maybe even sooner than that. But definitely by the end of this year, we're getting to 100, 130, 150. Let's see how this video ages. Bitcoin helps drive surging in Bloomberg gauge of digital coins. Bitcoin Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index. So Bloomberg Galaxy Crypto Index is following Bitcoin's lead. Didn't know Bloomberg had a crypto index. Interesting. Bitcoin 60-day realized volatility rising but below the 2017 boom level. Yeah, the more people join in, you're going to see less volatility, meaning less drastic up and down. Like, I don't think we're going to see these 40-50% corrections, knock on wood, anytime soon. If we see a 50% correction, like, bull run's over. That last correction that we had hurt. It was like 30%. But I don't see that happening. Because the reason being, and to explain myself, is because all the new money, retail, and corporate, big organizations getting in at this level, for the most part, at least these companies are just going to store away the Bitcoin that they buy at this level. And what do you think most retail investors are doing? Retail meaning, people like me and you. they buy here. A lot of people don't trade like I do, and if you're a trader, just let me know in the comments. I'd like to get a gauge of how many people trade underneath. Just put a capital T so I know that you're a trader, or capital I if you're an investor and you're just holding long term. Because so what happens is all the retail that's coming in, they're just gonna buy in, and I would say 90-95% are just holding, and they're not gonna sell till they get their fill and satisfaction of return on investment. Buy or sell your ex. Yeah, funny. That's not what it's about. Buy or sell your experiences. Directly.me. If you guys wanna, you guys have stories to tell, and you think people could learn from something that you know. But I digress again. And yeah, so it's gonna get less volatile, is what I'm saying. Let's see. This is another interesting story. I have way too many tabs open. These tabs that you're seeing, they're just one of many other tabs that I have open in the background right now. Okay, Nvidia releasing dedicated crypto mining products amid shortage of gaming cards. So this I heard about a month ago. Gamers are kind of pissed off because people who are into mining Bitcoin are taking away these gaming cards that gamers need for their games. It's funny. Nvidia. So hey, it's down 0.5%. Maybe you want to invest on Nvidia. I don't know. I'm not really interested in investing in Nvidia. Let's see why Grayscale and Mark Cuban are bullish on Ethereum at 1900. Let's read this. Mark Cuban also bullish on NFTs, by the way. I have yet to really dive into NFTs. It's pretty cool what's going on. But okay, what happened? The second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, Ethereum, reached a new all-time high of 1900 earlier today. New high means that Ethereum is officially up 2,000% since March 2020, while Bitcoin is up 1,200. So clearly Ethereum currently outperforming Bitcoin. In the wake of Bitcoin's disruption, the second largest cryptocurrency might have been overlooked by newer investors in the crypto space. However, many analysts, like Ethereum should be blasting off already. Like, nobody understands, excuse me, why the hell we're still under 2,000. This thing is, in my eyes, is going to go to 10,000 and beyond. When? I don't know, but I could see it getting to 5,000. What? May, June? Maybe before, because we're in 2000. That would be just a doubling, a 2x. So, or in February, I say like April, man. April we could see like $4,000 ETH. Freaking insane. Yeah, ETH is clearly undervalued. Clearly undervalued. I have 3.75 ETH at the moment. I got it. I got in. I got in Ethereum when it was like $300. Oh, it's nice to be in crypto, man. I try to tell as many people as possible the moment I learned about this, I hit up people like, yo, you got to get in on this. And one or two people listened to me. Can't save everybody. More people are listening now. And it's still early, man. It's still early. It is. Yo, we are like at the beginning of this thing. GameStop shares jumped as Keith Roaring Kitty Gill presented bullish thesis to House Committee. Oh, yeah. So I was watching this earlier today. I just didn't have time to watch this because I wanted to see what the hell they were talking about. And so the CEO of Robinhood was talking with the Financial Services Committee. Let's see. The market was underestimating the prospects of GameStop's legacy business and overestimating the prospect of bankruptcy, Gill told the committee. GameStop stores still provide real value to customers and reliable revenue for GameStop. Yeah. I don't know. GameStop is Blockbuster Video. You could buy games online through your PlayStation, through your Xbox. Why the hell do you want to go to GameStop? Why? Especially during flu season. Why do you want to get into your car? It's cold outside. Have to talk to people. GameStop. I don't know why. I don't know. But funny thing is that I was listening to this interview on YouTube. I Love Prosperity's YouTube channel, interviewing, what's his name, Mark, I forgot his name, damn it, Mark something, and we're talking about something like in the government, they're talking about that you should be a college graduate in order to be able to invest in the stock market. Pretty ridiculous. Are you stupid? Like, they're just really trying to limit your ability to make money so that you could live off of the government. Because, look, in a couple of years, there's going to really be no need for government to the scale that government is being utilized. They're putting their nose into everything and screwing everything up instead of letting the market be free and thrive and blossom as it should in a free market economy where things are not being straight up manipulated. It's retarded. Like, these career politicians, and I'm sorry to get political, but it's all interrelated, man. We have fake money, not backed by anything but quote unquote trust in the US. And it's just ridiculous that these government officials are getting paid so much, have vacation homes, and they're screwing us. They're bending us over. But whatever, man. I'm not going to get into that. One interesting thing that I learned today. So I'm a car guy. I used to detail vehicles. And I love watching car reviews for fun. And I was looking at the Honda Ridgeline, and I was looking at the Honda, what's the other truck's name? But anyway, the Honda Ridgeline, I was watching this older gentleman talk about his Honda Ridgeline. He had a 2017 one, loved it. Now he has a 2020 Honda Ridgeline, middle of the road type of model, not the top, not the bottom one. And he says, you know, he's pro-American. And the interesting thing is that about 70 to 80% of the parts on Honda cars, or at least the Honda Ridgeline, are made here in the US. I was like, huh. Compared to, you know, like a Dodge Ram that has a great, gorgeous interior, only has about, I think, 20 to 40%. I think he said 20% of its parts made here in the US. And you wouldn't think that, you know, by just assuming, you know, that Dodge being an American brand, you're buying American, right? But no, that's not the case. So I learned something new today. Maybe you did too. That's all I got for you guys. Check me out on Instagram at the Abundant Alchemist. Twitter, I don't really mess with Twitter as much. I'm trying to post more and more content there. Twitter, I am at the Funky Fibonacci. Facebook at the Abundant Alchemist. Please check out my merchandise store. I have links below. I have some cool sweaters. I have some coffee mugs. At the moment, I have Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Cardano. I will be posting some more merchandise. Let me know what you want to see on my merchandise store. I have Uniswap on deck. I have Tron on deck, which I heard that Neo, the singer, is promoting, and other people, other entertainers. What else do I have on deck? I have the design for. I have some more HODL designs for Bitcoin and VeChain. So just let me know if there's something that I don't already have a design for that I need to yet upload. If I get enough requests, I'll go back to the drawing board, talk to my designer, and have him create some more stuff. I have a lot of ideas in my head. I just need time. But I would highly appreciate if you support. I have code for a 10% discount call with Launch 21, LAUNCH 21, all capital letters. Please like, share, and subscribe if you think that somebody could benefit from this content. I also check out my older videos. I may have something of value to share. All right, peace, guys.